Hello guys, welcome to another video of WordPress series. In this video, I will teach you how to make simple contact form in WordPress and going to implement it on your WordPress site. Let me log in to my website admin panel first. Let's get into the video. For creating forms, you have to install a form creator plugin into your WordPress. You have to go to plugins, then add new plugin. Here you can search for plugin, search by the word form. Here I have already using a free version of contact form by WP Forms. You can use any plugin you want. After installing, you have to activate it to create forms for your WordPress site. After activating, you can see a new section on your WordPress dashboard. Just click on WP Forms and go to Add New. By this, you can create new forms. Now you can use the templates, or you can choose a blank form first. Name your form here. Let me name my form as test form. This will just reference to remember your form, and select a blank form. You can drag and drop these features into your forms. Like let me add name first, then email, and a paragraph text for any message. Okay, and then just save it and close the form, and here you get your form, which is named as test form. Now you have to set up SMTP for your form here. Things get a little bit messy. Most of the new users struggle here. I have already set up my SMTP, but for your help, let me set up from the beginning. Click on Launch Setup Wizard, and here you have to choose your service. The mail I am using, this was given by my hosting provider, so I am gonna choose the other SMTP. You may choose your according to your mail server. Now, where I get the settings and username password to set up my SMTP, let me just log in into my hosting provider first. In my case, this mail was provided by Razorhost, so let me log in to Razorhost panel first. It will take some time to log in. Then I have to go client area. This may differ in your case. Then I have to go for email accounts. Here I can see my email and the corresponding settings of each email. Here I have created already email named contact@cfdigital.site. Click on manage. Here you can set password for your email and some settings for your email, and you have to go to connect devices. Here you can find all the settings you need to put in SMTP. So I just copied it from here and put it on there. So after this, let me save this. SMTP is very easy process if you know the whole process. This may differ. Now SMTP will send me a test mail. Here I get a message, congrats, you have successfully set up WP mail via SMTP. Now you can publish your form. Now let's create a new page to publish your form. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Then click on pages and add new page. Here, add a title, test page for forms. Then edit with Elementor. Let's just give it time to open Elementor. In the left section menu, you have to drag WP forms into your page. Here you have to choose your form, which is test form. Here you can get this form. Let's just publish it and show how it looks. You have to exit Elementor, and then I can view this page. This is a simple form looks like. If you face any issue while setting up your form, just leave a comment below. I will help you to set up your form. If you like my contents, do like and subscribe my channel. This will help me to grow. Thank you.